In this video, we'll be turning this Jordan 1 Biz into a low, and we're gonna custom these shoes. Today, we are sponsored by Soul 6 Packs. It's a great workout program where you won't only lose weight, but also your soul. Don't ask me how it works because I don't really know if I can even get 6 packs. I don't have the actual footage of cutting the shoes, but pretty much all you need is a box cutter, scissors, and a screw. So you're gonna just cut around the piece of material you want to get off, and once you cut it off, you see these patties in the middle. It's yellow, and I use this screw to punch through the leather and just stitch it up. Rule number 1 when it comes to stitching: get your mother or someone that can help you out. Mom! These are my personal shoes, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Remove the laces, get yourself some water and soap solution. Scrub it down. For laces, you're going to put it in a container. The soap solution. And boom, clean. For the shoes, we're going to wipe it down, wipe away the bubbles, and it's clean. To remove the lint inside the shoe, we're going to be using a fabric shaver. Here's the before, and now the after. So before I start painting, I'm going to remove the creases from the shoe. Get yourself a damp towel and an iron. Don't forget to stuff the shoe with your crusty socks. You may never know if you ever need it. I have no idea what I'm saying. To start painting the shoe, I'm using tape to protect some of the areas that I don't want the paint to be on. We gotta put some acetone on the areas you want to paint. To paint the shoe, we're gonna use Angelus flat white paint. Remember, when you paint the shoe, since I don't have airbrush, you're gonna use fast and short strokes. Gentlemen, you know what to do. You know, sometimes our game ain't that strong. So I let the paint dry for like 2 hours, then I applied Crown Matte Finisher. Now let's look at the results. The shoe has some paint leaks, as you can see right here, and it's not good. So here's a solution for it. I'm going to be using acetone to remove those small details with a Q-tip, and bam! Look how much better it looks. And look how good it looks. It looks kind of boring, right? The original shoe got black laces, so let's change it up. Bam. Looks so much better. If there's a lesson I learned in this video, is that you should be careful when you purchase those. Because I bought this duct tape, and it's not a specific tape for painting because it caused my shoe to have paint bleed. So you should get yourself a 3M paint specific tape that says painter's tape or won't cause any paint to leak. I mean, what am I going to do with this tape?
You only live because I simply allow it. There's your breakfast. Sorry, my manners. Here's your napkin.
Yeah, I don't know. Toss it. Thanks for watching the video. I don't know how to make this video any better, so I just threw in some random edits, and I hope you can appreciate it. I'm not a model, and I don't have the best sense of fashion, but I always wanted to try this transition. This is kind of boring. Let's switch it up. Something like this. A little better. Let me try this. If you actually made it through this entire video, I don't know how'd you do it. I don't know how. But here, you deserve a medal. Why don't you consider dropping a like button and subscribe? Check out my random content on my TikTok. Link in the bio. Thanks for watching. Peace.